Hello, my name is Shruti Praveen and I'll be your IELTS trainer. So let's start with what is your name? Myself Triveni Murthy. Oh, that is not how you say what is your name. You should say I am Triveni Murthy, not myself. I am Triveni Murthy, okay? Where is your hometown? I belong to the south of India, like Coimbatore. You don't say I belong to, you say I am from Coimbatore or I hail from Coimbatore. Are you working or studying? I am a working professional. Okay, when you say you're working, you don't have to say professional because a professional is always a working person. So you cannot be working at home. You either say I am a working person or you can say I'm a professional. Okay? So working and professional together would be a redundancy because you don't have to use it together. It means the same. What are the challenges you face at work? With hard struggle only I got this job, so I should not complain about the challenges. Okay, struggle is always hard. So you don't have to say a hard struggle because it's a redundancy, it's a duplication of words. So just say it's been a long struggle or just say it was very hard for me to get this job. Okay? How do you think playing online games affect children? I think playing online games affect the mental psychology of the students. Psychology is always something to do with the psyche or mental. So don't say mental psychology because it's a redundancy. Just say it affects children mentally or it affects them psychologically. Either one at a time because otherwise it's a duplication of words. Dear students, if you have been making these kind of redundancies or duplication, do take care of them and eliminate the redundancies from your speaking as well as writing. So have a good day. Thank you.